Hi guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and I'm coming to you with a Goodwill haul video. I stopped at Goodwill in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Picked up a couple of items. Thought I would share them with you. If you give me a minute, I'll open the bags and show you what I picked up. Okay, to start off, I picked up these two beautiful Christmas trees here. They are gorgeous. I saw them there. I hadn't seen these anywhere before, and they were $3.99. Then I saw these champagne flutes. There were six of them. So I purchased all of them. I had been looking for some, a longer stem. Found some gorgeous. They were 99 cents each. Didn't pick up too much more. Didn't take the camera in. I forgot to take it in to film the store. But it was a small location. They didn't have very much that I was looking for. But these are the items I picked up. And I thought I would jump on here and share them with you guys. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and leave comments. I love to read your comments. And I'll respond to you as soon as possible. And guys, please follow me on my social media accounts. They will be listed down below. And if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click that subscribe button. You'll see it down below. Next to it, you see a bell. Click that bell twice, and that bell will notify you every time I upload a video. And guys, as always, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.